Hi, you are welcome to NS Tutorial. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification button as well so that when I drop the next video, you'll be the first person to get it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook page on your mobile phone. How you can delete your Facebook page on your mobile phone. And please, if you want to do this, you have to get the real Facebook app. I'm not talking about the lights. I'm talking about the real Facebook app. So if you have it, let's jump into it. Now to delete your Facebook page, you click on the Facebook app, and over here you can see I have logged into my account already. If you haven't logged into your account, you have to log it into your account before. So when you log into your account, you click on the menu here. When you click on it, you have a lot of options to choose from, but here, because we want to delete a Facebook page, we will click on pages. And then over here you can see that I have 4 pages. I am going to choose one from them and delete it. So I'm choosing the first one, so I'll click on the first one. And for you to delete your Facebook page, you have to switch from your main account or your profile to the Facebook page or the new page experience before you can delete your Facebook page. So here I'm switching from my profile to the new page experience, or I'm switching from my profile to the page I want to delete. Okay, so let's switch from the new page, or let's switch to the new page experience. So we click on switch, and within some seconds it has been switched. Now we click on the left hand side here. You click on the menu on the left hand side here again. So you click on that and scroll down to get or to find settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, and then you click on settings. Because you will click on page settings. So you click on page settings, and then you scroll down. You scroll down to get access and control. You can see that there are a lot of options here. We have personal page or personal information, that is the page name of the page and all those things. We have privacy, who can view your message and all those things. And you have notification, your page notification. You have new page experience and page information. So we want to go to page information and click on access and control. Access and control. So you have to click on access and control, and you can see that we have deactivation and deletion. That means it's either you want to deactivate your page or delete it permanently. So we have to click on deactivation and deletion. Now here you will be given two options: to deactivate your page or to delete your page. And Facebook will explain the two for you to understand very well. Deactivate page here means that this page can be temporarily deactivated, and then you can have an option to come back and activate it again. And delete page means you are deleting your page permanently. You are deleting your page permanently. So you click on delete page and you click on continue. Here, Facebook will ask you why you want to delete your Facebook page. It depends on you. The reason why you want to delete your Facebook page depends on you. Nobody knows. So you can click on any of the options or just click on continue. So here I am going to click on I no longer find Facebook useful. And then you click on continue. So here you click on continue, and you'll be asked to type your password. You'll be asked to type your password. So let's type our password. Here you'll be asked to confirm deletion. You'll be asked to confirm deletion. So you click on continue and you click on delete page. And now boom, your page has been deleted successfully. This is how you can delete your Facebook page. It is just simple. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.